Hello, here is just a quick video of some ditch drainage work. The road commission dug out my ditch 3 weeks ago and we received 3.2 inches of rain in the past 2 days here. You can see the ditch did overflow, but the water was up over the culvert. That's a brand new culvert for the driveway, so I'm pretty excited about this. And you'll see when I turn the camera around and look north, my little French drain coming out of the middle of the front yard is draining very, very good too. So, just a quick dull video. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up or a like and leave a comment. I know this is pretty boring, but pretty exciting for me because before this would be overflowing over my driveway and everything. So, thanks for watching. Bye.